I'm gonna try this flavor of Mike's Harder Lemonade Mango. I haven't had it yet. On my old Instagram account, I used to rate things, specifically seltzer waters, but then also some other shit. And maybe now I'm just gonna rate these. I really like the Mike's Harder because I'm a piece of shit, and they're 8% alcohol and they taste good. So let's see what this one's all about. Ooh, that smells good. These little puppies are dangerous. I give that a good 7.26 out of 10. I also have another flavor that's not the harder. It's just their 5%. Blue Freeze. It's like fucking Gatorade flavor, color flavor, not a. I don't know what I'm saying. Oh shoot. Okay. Well, yeah, it's gonna be the weekend, and I think I'm gonna go to Santa Cruz tomorrow. Oh shit. Another big thing is I requested off for an event in Baja. It's the 1st through the 6th, and my birthday, 40th birthday, is February 1st. So I'm taking like 2 weeks off, which turns out to only be 6 days, but I'm just going to go slowly there and slowly back, maybe take like 5 days to get there, 5 days to get back. That's my plan, at least. We'll see if I have the money for it. So if you want to chip in a few bucks for my birthday Baja fund, I'll give you my Venmo or something. Stop doing that. Oh, I'm also having this for dinner tonight. I've heard really good things about it. Alright, I'm gonna get to drinking this disgusting, trashy drink and party it up, right? Alright. Oh, that smells so good. This may be my new favorite drink ever. 10 out of 10. No, 914. 914. You know those little wax soda bottles that have liquid in them that you bite the top off of and then suck the liquid out? This tastes exactly like the blue flavor of that. And it's gluten-free. Try this and tag me in the review, like the first sip review. I'm cooking up some of this Trader Joe's beefless whatever. Look at that shit. I'm gonna taste it. Let's see what we got here. I just had to look at the box because I don't know what this is. This is crazy. This is probably the most meaty tasting thing I've ever had as a vegan. Man, it's just so weird. And it looks so much... Man, did they put this in the wrong package? This is fucking crazy. Sorry for the mess. I'm in the middle of cleaning right now. But I just went into Target to grab some cleaning stuff, and I found these that Lost Renegades recommend. so I'm gonna give them a shot. And I think they were on sale for like $3 a bag. First up is the sweet chili. I'm not getting a chili flavor. Okay. Sorry, Jen. I'm let down. My expectations were so high. I'd give that 6.5 out of 10. But I think these were their favorite. So, kettle corn. I'm not getting the sweetness in this one. Maybe like a 7 out of 10. I think the Skinny Pop makes ones that are similar. Those are so good. I think I like those a little better. Oh well, still good. Alright, we're about to head to Santa Cruz. Probably just gonna hang out at a grocery store there until my friend gets a hold of me. So yeah. Sandwiches! Come on. Let's go! Come on, bud. Oh, it's a sandwich. That's a little sandwiches. Oh, she's ready to go. She's ready to go. You ready to go, sandwiches? Yes, let's go for a ride. Okay, let's go. Alright, we're gonna go. I am in Santa Cruz. Why did I say it like that? I'm in Santa Cruz. I parked near the venue where where the show is happening, and I'm gonna meet my friend. I don't know if I can park here overnight. I hope I can. But I'm just enjoying another one of these suckers. Because I'm feeling super anxious to go inside. Anxiety, just tons of anxiety. But it'll be alright once I get in there. And if not, I can come back out. Sandwiches and I are on our way to meet up with a couple folks who run Santa Cruz Van Life Facebook and Instagram for coffee. So let's go.